So this is the face steamer itself. This is how it came. This is the place you use to power it up. What's up, beautiful people? How are you guys doing? This video is going to be quick and short. I don't want to waste your time too much. So as you can see in the title of today's video, how to steam your face and products you can use to steam your face. This is the one right here that you can use to steam your face, and I'm going to be telling you guys the benefits of steaming your face. So you want to watch this video to the end, like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment if you have any question at all. So this is the face steamer itself. This is how it came. This is the place you use to power it up. This is where the steam is going to be coming from, and this part is where and this part is where you put the water. Yes, this is the part you put the water, and you insert it like this, and you plug it to your socket. First of all, you want to wash your face with a gentle facial cleanser. In anything you do at all, you guys, make sure you are washing your face, you are cleansing your face. Remove excess dirt and excess oil from your face before you steam your face. That is very, very, very important. I also use this facial sponge to exfoliate my face. So after that, you use the face steamer. Steaming of the face helps to hydrate the face and moisturize the face. It helps your skincare products to absorb well into your skin. It unclogs pores and firms the skin. It also calms your face. It promotes collagen, increases blood flow, and gives younger looking skin. You guys, I love steaming my face. If you have cough and cold and you steam your face, this is going to help your cold go fast. Like, this is tested and trusted. You can get this on Amazon, Jumia, even in Nigeria, and I also have someone that sells it. So if you want to buy it, you can send me a DM on Instagram. This is like a mini facial at home. Another way you can steam your face is you boil a water at home. After boiling water, you allow it to be hot, like when steam is coming out of it. Pour it in a very thick bowl, and then you cover yourself with the bedsheet. You put your face and you wrap yourself up with a bedsheet, a duvet, or a thick cloth. So you allow that steam to touch your face for like 5 to 10 minutes, and that's okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow for more. See you guys in my next video. And you can follow me on Instagram at raeyoh_official, on TikTok raeyoh-official for daily skincare content. Thank you for watching.